Good morning, everyone. So, today in this video, we're going to discuss class 8 science from bio part, that is microorganisms, friends, and foe. So, in this video, I'm going to share you the PPT of the chapter microorganisms. So, let's get started. Introduction. So, first of all, let us know what do you mean by microorganisms. Microorganisms are the tiny living organisms seen only under a microscope. Microorganisms means they are the tiniest organisms which cannot be found under the naked eye. We can able to find through an instrument called microscope. Now here the term comes, what is microscope? Microscope means it is a device which is used to check whether the tiniest organisms are living on that particular object or not. So that is known as what? Microscope. And microorganisms are the tiny living organisms. It is already found in air, water, soil, and inside our bodies. Can be both beneficial and can be both harmful. So that's why the chapter name as Microorganisms Friend and Foe is named. The next, major groups of microorganisms. First of all, let us know about bacteria. Bacteria means single celled, okay, means which are unicellular organisms. Here the term comes, what is unicellular organisms? Unicellular organisms means the organisms which have only single cell, and they are both autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic means autotrophic is a mode of nutrition in which they can prepare the food by themselves, and heterotrophic means those who are dependent upon making their food, as in class 7th science you might have learnt. Okay, example, lactobacillus. In our curd, which bacteria is present? One quiz, GK quiz will be there. So the answer could be, you have tried lactobacillus. Fungi. Fungi means it is a multicellular. Now here the terms comes. What is multicellular? Multicellular means which have more than one cells, and they are heterotrophic and lack what? Chlorophyll. So one question can be arised that which major group of microorganisms lack chlorophyll? So the answer will be fungi. For example, what? Penicillium. Then next is protozoa. Protozoa means which is unicellular, moist environments. For example, amoeba. Algae, uni or multicellular, autotrophic. Algae means they are the autotrophic in nature which can prepare their own food. For example, Spirogyra. Then viruses, a cellular reproducing host cell. For example, poliovirus. Okay. So now let's go through microorganisms as friends. Okay. Now microorganisms as friends. First point, used in making curd, bread, cake, and cheese. Yeast in fermentation for alcohol production. Bacteria and algae fix nitrogen soil. Next topic is all about nitrogen cycle, which we'll be learning through animation. Then decompose waste and recycle nutrients. We will be discussing these more new topics in the next class. Thank you. And please subscribe for the channel for the update. Thank you.